Alright guys, I think I got the notification of that my ink is running low. So I'm gonna try to replace the black ink. If you go here, this is HP by the way. HP Pro 860, it's an old model, but you know, it's still like working until now. And it's really cool. So, alright. For you to check the ink level, you can also go here on the screen. Over here, again, it gives you the prompt, replace cartridge, and then there's like a eyedrop symbol over here, and it tells you, like, you can see magenta is still good, blue or cyan, and then the yellow one, matte black, is already had like the warning sign over here. So that one, and then let's see. All right, so I'm gonna try to replace this one. So I'm gonna have to do. If you want to change the ink, you should open this side over here. The HP, there's like a side. Let's open it, and then you can see the cartridge is gonna go to this side. Hopefully, all right, it's going. All right, you can see there's like 4 colors gonna be magenta, the blue, cyan, and then yellow, and then this is the big one, the black. So you just need to press this one so that it would come out. Alright. I was thinking that I need to press it hard, but it should be fine. So this one is the old black ink. So I'm gonna dispose it in a proper way because it's hazmat. And I got the extra ink over here. Usually because like the HP usually tracks the level of ink online, because I connected my what you call this, ink levels online. So whenever it's running low, the HP is really good in sending you like again, there's a plan also, like you give them an estimate how many pages you would need, like printing wise, and then again to insert, again follow, just like align this one with the other ones, and then press, and again close it, and this should be easy. Alright, and then it's gonna probably like read it. Alright, it says here, thank you for installing HP instant ink cartridge, and just hit OK. And then I think it's gonna start to like do a test, what do you call this, to make sure that everything's good, like status check. I'm waiting for it to print like the report page, whatever, that they has like the levels updated one. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it. It did it last time, but if not, that's fine too. But that's how you actually like replace the ink. Yeah, I'm still hearing like movement, so it should be generating the report. Alright, never mind. Alright guys, but again, that was how to actually replace the ink in the HP Officejet 8630. Alright guys, thank you for watching.